Hello students, welcome to the channel My Home I Study. Today I am going to give the answer of chapter number 5 Inside the Atom from 8th standard General Science. So let's begin with the exercise first. Question number 1, answer the following. उसमें फर्स्ट वन है व्हाट इज़ द डिफरेंस इन द एटॉमिक मॉडल्स एंड थॉमसन एंड रुदरफोर्ड. सो आंसर इज थॉमसन थ्योरी में फर्स्ट है स्टेट्स दैट इलेक्ट्रॉन आर इम्बेडेड इन अ पॉजिटिवली चार्ज सॉलिड मटेरियल विच इज स्पेरिकल इन शेप. एंड रुदरफोर्ड थ्योरी में आएगा फर्स्ट वाला स्टेट्स दैट एन एटम इज कंपोज्ड of an atomic nucleus around which electrons are revolving in an orbit. Second point does not give any detail about the atomic nucleus. Rutherford में आएगा explain about the atomic nucleus. Third point states that electrons are uniformly distributed in an atom. Third point of Rutherford theory states that electrons are located around a central solid material. Fourth point indicates that atom is spherical in shape. Fourth point of Rutherford theory indicates that an atom has a central solid core called as nucleus surrounded by the electrons. Fifth point of Thomson theory does not give any idea about constituents of nucleus. Fifth point of Rutherford theory states that nucleus is composed of proton and neutrons. Second question, what is mean by valency of an element? What is the relationship between the number of valence electron and valency? Answer is question C1, what is mean by atomic mass number and explain how the atomic number and mass number of carbon are 6 and 12 respectively. Here is your answer. You can pause the video and copy down the answer from here. Question number D. What is mean by subatomic particle? Give brief information of three subatomic particles which reference to electrical charge, mass and location. Answer is here. Pause the video and copy down the answer from here. Question number 2. Give scientific reasons. First one. All the mass of an atom is concentrated in the nucleus. Answer is all the mass of an atom is concentrated in the nucleus because atom contains three subatomic particles like electron, proton and neutron, out of which nucleus present at the center of an atom contains two subatomic particles, that's proton and neutrons, and the mass of nucleus is the sum of mass of protons and neutrons located at the center of an atom. B1 atom is electrically neutral. Answer, atom is electrically neutral because in an atom electrons and protons carry charges and each atom has equal numbers of protons positively charged and electrons negatively charged. Next question C1, atomic mass number is whole number. Answer, atomic mass number is a whole number because it is the sum of numbers of protons and numbers of neutrons present in an atom, which is present in the form of integers. D1 atoms are stable though negatively charged electrons are revolving within it. Answer, atoms are stable though negatively charged electrons are revolving within it because each atom contains equal numbers of protons and electrons. So charge on negatively charged electrons are balanced by charge on positively charged proton. Therefore, atoms is electrically neutral and stable. Now see the next question. Define the following terms. First one is atom. Answer, an atom is defined as the structural and functional unit of a matter. The term atom comes from the Greek word which means indivisible because atoms are the smallest thing in the universe and could not be divided. Atoms are made up of three subatomic particles like protons, neutrons and electrons. Second one is isotopes. Isotopes are atoms that have same atomic number but different mass number. Isotopes have same numbers of protons but different numbers of neutrons. These are some common examples of isotopes. C1, atomic number. Atomic number, the number of protons in the nucleus of an atom, which is characteristics of a chemical element and determines its place in the periodic table. Atomic number is also equals to numbers of electron in an atom. For example, atomic number of carbon is equal to 6, of nitrogen is equal to 7, oxygen is equal to 8 and magnesium is equal to 12. D1 atomic mass number. It is the sum of total numbers of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus. Atomic mass number is equal to numbers of protons plus number of neutrons. Atomic number is equal to number of protons is equal to number of electrons it is donated by Z. Mass of number is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons it is donated by A. For example, carbon atoms is its number of proton is equal to 6, number of neutron is equal to 6, number of electron is equal to 6, atomic number Z, number of protons is equal to number of electron is equal to 6. That is mass number A is equal to number of proton plus number of neutron is equal to 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. स्टूडेंट्स एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे ऑप्शनल है, अगर आपको एग्जाम्पल लिखना है तो लिख सकते हैं, नहीं तो स्किप भी कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन इज E1. Moderator in nuclear reactor is a substance that slows down the speed of neutrons. In traditional nuclear reactors, the moderator is the same thing as that of coolant like water. Question number 4. Draw a neat label diagram. First one is Rutherford scattering experiment. This is given on page number 30. See, this is your diagram. You can copy down from here. Second diagram is Thomson atomic model. Third diagram is of diagrammatic sketch of electronic configuration of magnesium, that is atomic number 12. Fourth one, diagrammatic sketch of electronic configuration of argon, atomic number 18. Next, question number 5. Fill in the blanks. Electron, proton, neutron are the types of subatomic particles in an atom. Second, an electron carries a negative charge. Third, the electron shell K is nearest to the nucleus. D1. The electron configuration of magnesium is 282. From this it is understood that the valence shell of magnesium is M shell. The valency of hydrogen is 1 as per the molecular formula H2O. Therefore, valency of Fe turns out to be 3 as per the formula Fe2O3. Number 6 is match the pair. तो यहाँ पर आपको ऑप्शन दिया है ग्रुप ए एंड ग्रुप बी. तो ग्रुप ए में से ग्रुप बी को मैच करना है एंड देन आंसर लिखना है. योर इज योर आंसर. ग्रुप ए में है प्रोटॉन, उसका आंसर आएगा पॉजिटिवली चार्ज. सेकेंड इलेक्ट्रॉन नेगेटिवली चार्ज. थर्ड न्यूट्रॉन न्यूट्रल. Next, question number 7. Deduce from the datum provided. This is the answer of question number 7. Students, if you haven't subscribed the channel, subscribe it now and share with your friends and relatives. Do comment and do like the video. Thanks for watching. Stay connected with My Home My Study channel for more videos.